My kitchen cabinets felt like a chaotic cave. Things were always lost inside. Then, I found these clear bins. They are truly game changers. The mDesign Deep Kitchen Organizers. Clear. 4. Are like little clear islands. They bring order to the food sea. They are perfect for snacks. And also for fruit. Moreover, they fit well in the fridge. They also work in the freezer. These bins have strong handles. So, pulling them out is very easy. You can see everything inside. This saves so much time. Furthermore, no more digging is needed. They hold yogurt pouches. And also small boxes. Because they are clear, you know what you have. Indeed, they make grocery lists simpler. The mDesign Deep Kitchen Organizers. Clear. 4. Are very versatile. Ultimately, these organizers are a must-have. They transform messy spaces. My pantry now looks neat. It feels much more inviting. The mDesign Deep Kitchen Organizers. Clear. 4. Are durable. They clean up quickly, too. Therefore, I highly recommend them. They are a smart storage solution. You will love the new order. Pros. Great for snacks and baking needs. Sturdy and easy to clean. Can see what is in each container. Great for kitchen or fridge. Keep same items together. Fairly deep. Great for craft supplies. Pantry organization. Holds more than expected. Perfect for coffee, tea cabinet. Love that you can see what's inside. Features. Deep design, with handles, clear plastic 4-pack included, for kitchen, pantry organizer. Fridge safe, freezer safe, food storage, line collection. This is a 4-pack of clear plastic storage bins from the line collection. They have a deep design and handles, making them easy to use. These bins are great for organizing food in your kitchen, pantry, fridge, or freezer. They're perfect for storing things like snacks, yogurt, or fruit. These clear mDesign storage bins are great for organizing many things. They're perfect for keeping snacks, yogurt, or fruit tidy in your kitchen, pantry, fridge, or freezer. You can easily see what's inside each bin. And they're sturdy and simple to clean. They're also deep enough to hold a good amount. Even craft supplies.